Hina says, is vaping permissible? What is vaping? When I Googled this, it is a new thing that appeared in China for the first time in 2003. And it is one of the means of replacing cigarettes and normal tobacco. Because since 2000 onwards, the fight against smoking was growing. So you are not allowed to smoke in public places, on airplanes, in hospitals, in offices, etc., in malls. And they're giving them a small cage, you know, like a caged cell in a zoo. And it's all glass, and they all sit there. All what we need is some popcorn and to give it to them. May Allah Azza wa Jal cure them. I feel sorry for them. Not that, yeah, they brought it to themselves. Come on. But this is not our topic. So tobacco companies came up with this ingenious idea that this is a replacement of cigarettes. So it's a lithium battery, looks like a pipe, looks like a cigarette, these different designs, where there is a container for some flavors, some nicotine, some glucosine or something like that. I don't know the terminologies. And it is ignited by pressing a button or by taking a puff. And some of them even have a light at the end so that it glows as if you are smoking a regular cigarette. Now, the vast majority of doctors, of researchers, even of countries, have banned it and said that this is not a safe replacement of cigarettes. It still has nicotine. It still has mineral particles so minute and small that people would inhale. And because it's so recent, we know that's dangerous, but we don't have the sufficient studies. And this is why so many religious bodies have rendered it as haram. Australia, I think Canada, and other countries have banned it. I don't know if they've allowed it now or not, but Brazil, etc. Now, if the doctors come and say that, listen, this is a safe product, because there's phase 1, 2, 3, and number 4 of the e-cigarettes. So they have research and advance. If they come and say now, all what is smoked is natural flavors, totally safe, not harmful, no nicotine, nothing addictive, nothing harmful for you medically, then it can be allowed. But till then, Ahmed from Kenya.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Assalamualaikum.
I have a question. If a man has a discharge from his private part that occurs sometimes during the day, sometimes during Salah, and sometimes not, and sometimes more than once within a prayer time, and it's only small drop.
A small what?
Small drops.
Drop of what?
Is such a person considered ma'zur?
I don't understand your question. What are you talking about? Are you talking about urine?
No, but it's something like muddy.
So,
do they follow the normal wudu rules?
How long does it take him to see this stopping?
Like, it's just seconds. It comes and like small drops.
Okay,
it's happening this for several years.
No. If this comes before Salat or during Salat, this breaks his Salat. He has to go and wash himself, make wudu, clean himself, and then pray again. And this is not continuous, so that we could call him ma'dhur, or someone with urine incontinence, or with a type of incontinence that excuses him. He's not. This is something that takes few seconds and it leaves on his